వీడే శ్రీతేజ్ కదా.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, children. Good evening, Adrit, Aishwarya. Yes, Adrit, Aishwarya, Deepika, Sritej. Right. Just a minute, ma'am. We'll go with our application part of playing with numbers like HCF, LCM, how day-to-day life applications we are using. That part we will discuss. Once it is over, the chapter was completed, I think, children. It's class, which class, ma? Is it class? Which class it is? Class, I don't know. Class 7. It's class 6, right? Okay. Thank you, Adri. Thank you for timely being responding. Good.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah. This part is only the very important, children. There is a few keywords. Based on keywords, you can easily identify whether it is LCM or HCF. I will give that clues also, children, so you people can easily know about that part. 1 minute, children.
Ma'am, I was absent on the day you taught HCF, so I do not remember much.
Okay, Sritej, anyway, we are doing right now, once again, the same application part only. Here, I'll help you, don't worry. What is 1729, children? Do you remember what is 1729?
Ma'am, it's the Ramanujan Hardy number.
Professor Ramanujan Hardy number, right? That's more important, children. Please remember, when you're going to senior classes also, you may get the same part. You can please. Now coming to the question exercise 3.7. Particularly, it's a very important and easy part also, children. Sritej, can you read the question number 1 here?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the exercise 3.7.
7 first bit.
Yes, ma'am. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exactly number of times.
Exact number of times.
Exactly.
Find the maximum. The keyword here is maximum. So, we are doing LCM, least common, and HCF, highest. Maximum is nothing but which the word is equal to? HCF, highest. So, okay, children, Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kgs and 69 kgs. These are the weights of fertilizer. What is the meaning of fertilizer? Do you know, children? What is the meaning of fertilizer?
Yes, ma'am, it's used for the crops.
Yeah, to grow healthy crops, so we are using fertilizers. Maybe it's organic fertilizer and inorganic, whatever it may be. So fertilizer to grow the plants, so we are keeping, and 75 kgs as well as 69 kgs bag. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weights of fertilizer exact number of times. So here the keyword is maximum. The keyword is, you see, children.
The audio is breaking.
Adrit,
Yes, ma'am.
any difficulty better?
No, ma'am.
Something, my voice is breaking. I think maybe student network is weak there.
Yeah, little bit it's breaking.
Okay. 1 minute, I'll check it.
Ma'am, it is clear for me.
Okay, maybe your network better. Mine is all right. Okay, the maximum is a keyword. If you see the question, maximum is the keyword. Based on that keyword, you can find HCF of 75 and 69. Same like statements you have to write, children. The weights of fertilizer, the weight of first bag of fertilizer is 75 kgs. Second bag is 69 kgs. What is the next statement? The maximum value of weight can be measured the fertilizer exact number of times. You have to write the statements. Weight of fertilizer. 1 minute, children. Give a minute time. Yeah, all right. Coming to the, what is the first statement we can write, children, in exercise 3.7? First bit is, they gave the question as Renu purchases the weight of fertilizers. Weight of fertilizer, first bag. Weight of, what is the first statement we can write? Please think and let me know, children. You can see, because you people can write. You can see and write. Weights of 2 bags of fertilizers are. Can we write like that? Yes or no?
Yes,
Children, are you there? What is the first statement, Deepika?
Ma'am, on Saturday I was absent one.
No, by reading the story sum, if you read the first story, what we can write the statement?
Ma'am,
Weight of,
total weight of fertilizer.
not total weight, weight of fertilizer, weight of, weight of fertilizer, the first bag, weight of first bag, weight of second bag of fertilizer. Okay, can we write? Weight of first bag of fertilizer, weight of first bag of fertilizer is how much, children? Is it 70?
I'm 75.
75
kgs, right? What 75 kgs. What is the second statement we can write? Weight of
Weight of second bag of fertilizer
is
69
60
kg.
kgs. What we should find? Therefore, what is the next statement? The maximum value of weight can be measured both. The maximum value of weight. What is the next? The maximum value. This is the keyword, children. Please remember. Maximum is nothing but HCF. By seeing the question only, you can identify. Maximum value of.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Monish? Yes, Monish, please.
Ma'am,
Monish?
what are we doing?
Yeah, exercise 3.7 applications of LCM and HCF.
Okay, ma'am.
Application sums on LCM and HCF. Monish, there is a lot of disturbance. Where are you? Yes, Monish. Sums on LCM and HCF. Yeah. Now the maximum value, the maximum value of weight, the maximum value of weight, which can measure which can be measured.
The
Yes.
weight of the fertilizers, exact number
Exactly. Very good. Which can be measured. Yes, you can, which can be measured is nothing but HCF of 75
and 69.
How to find factors of 75, children? Because you know one method, 75 and 69. Can I help you one more method here? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Or else your normal method, you know factors. What are the factors of 75?
Ma'am.
You know divisibility rules. It's very taking time process, children. I'll give one more method, please. That's a continuous division method. So that 1 minute, that's no need. Another method we are doing. To find out HCF, we are using continuous division method, children. Please remember that it's very important in your class 10 also. Till class 10 we are following the same, but please learn that method right now. Or else if you want to go like that as a factors of 1 and what 2 is not a factor, 3 is a factor, then 5 is a factor, then yes, what is the other factors? 15 is any other factor for you? So 14, 15, then
25.
25, very good. Then 75. Yes, so these are the factors. The same way, what are the factors of 69? 1, because the sum of digits, 2 is not divisible because it's not a even number. So go with 3. Yes, it is divisible. Then 69 is not a prime number. So what other numbers we can divide here? Can we take it as 23 three times? Yes or no? 23 3s are 69. Another you can write it as. What are common factors here?
Ma'am, one,
Three.
1 and 3. What are common factors? It's 1 and
3.
1 and 3. Which is highest common factor, beta?
And 3.
3 is the highest common factor. So 3. So what is the answer we can write? Therefore, the maximum value of weight which can be measured the fertilizers exact number of times is what is the measure you can take? 3 kgs is the measure, so that you can exact number of times you can measure that part. That's one method. I'll give another method. Yeah, Deepika. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay,
Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, ma'am, right. Now here you see another method, which is there are two numbers, 75 and 69. Which is the greater number? Which is the least number here?
69 is the least and 75 is the greatest.
Greater, very good. So take 69 as 60. Monish, please, I'm not going to allow you. You are multiple times you are disturbing me. Monish, is there any difficulty? Don't disturb the class like that. If you want, you can listen, or else you leave. That's all. How many times you are exiting and logging? Next time I won't allow you. If you have any problem, please let me know through chat box. Yeah, which is the least number 69. So this you can take as a divisor. This you can take it as a dividend. Yes, now 69 divisor and 75 is dividend. Yes, how many times we can do, children?
One.
One time. So 69. What is left over here?
Ma'am, 6.
6.
Very good, 6. Now this 6 is the remainder is the divisor, and the previous divisor is dividend. Once again, the division part continues. Hope you understood this point. Please remember, whatever you are getting remainder as a divisor, and the previous divisor as dividend. That part, please make that note once again, because remainder as here divisor, previous divisor is 69. That's your dividend now. Now 61 11 times. 61 11 times 66. What is remainder here, children? What is remainder?
3.
3. Now, previous divisor. Now, 3 is divisor. The previous divisor is?
6.
6 is dividend. Now, see 3 how many times?
2.
2 times 6. Now, wherever you are getting remainder as 0, that divisor is your HCF. Hope you understood this. This is, we can call it as a continuous division method. You can do this method. You can do this method or this method, children. This method is applicable in only the numbers are very small numbers. But you can use divisibility rule, second you can do. But this is applicable for large number. This method we can call it as continuous division method. We are continuously doing division.
Ma'am, will HCF work through prime factor method? I mean,
Yes,
prime
yes,
factor
yes,
tree.
yes, yes. That method also I'll help you. Sritej is asking, ma'am, can we go with the prime factorization method? What is the factors of 75? 5, how many times? Nana, 5 ones are 5 5s are 25. Again, 5 ones are 5 3s are. Now 75. What are the factors of 75? 3 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5. Go with 69. The same way, go with 69. So 3 table. 3 ones, 3 twos are, 3 threes are. So 23 is prime number. You can write 69 can be written as 3 into 23, which is common here.
3.
So you can both the numbers which is common you can write, and the highest common based on that you can here 3 is the common. This is also you can do more. Your wish children you can do multiple ways. So Monish is making a lot of disturbance in my class. I don't want to admit this fellow right now, but I don't know whether maybe any problem technical continues. This is one method you can do. This is one method. This is another method. This is one more method. Your wish, children, whatever the method you are using, your wish, take your choice and do it. All the methods are correct. All the methods are. Yes. Now, Adrit, take the question number 2 and read the question number 2, ma.
Yes, ma'am. 3 boys step off together from the same pot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter. Find the longest step
No, one more
and
point is.
77 centimeter respectively. What
Ah.
is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? Ma'am, we should do.
No, what is the keyword here?
Ma'am, minimum.
Minimum means which one we should do?
Ma'am, LCM.
Very good. That's the keyword. See, children, there is a question number 2 is, children, am I audible to you or else any network
ma'am.
issue for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. Okay. 3 boys are there. They step off together from the same spot. Their steps.
Ma'am, hello?
Yes, Monish.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Monish. Where are you? Monish, where are you?
Ma'am, I am in the room.
Monish, where are you? Please text me through chat box because your mic is lots of noise. I don't know where you are, whether you are sitting in reading room or else somewhere you are. I'm not sure. Maybe. Please try to sit in your pleasant place and try to listen the class seriously. And Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, are you sharing your screen?
Huh. Yeah, please, Aishwarya, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your difficulty, ma?
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Oh, can you please once again, children, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya, please once exit and come join once again, ma. Rejoin, please. Quick. Right now, are you able to see Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am. I'm able to see now.
Maybe your network is poor, beta. That's why the problem.
Her voice is breaking.
That's why maybe Aishwarya network. Please check your connectivity, beta. Children, online class when it is successful means there are 4 criteria, children. One, first one, as a teacher, I should be very alert with my network, and you people also the same way should be responsible. And depending on child discipline also more important. Once we enters the class, our attention should be what teacher is teaching. Is there any difficulties to understand? That way, if you focus, definitely you are the winner. I saw many students in my online classes continuously. Children who are in disciplined manner, when teacher is teaching, they are listening and responding, and they are doing by their own. Definitely, they win their IMO in the school level. And one of the student, earlier old student, Raghav is a student. He is also very interested in subject, but he is very disciplined while joining the class, regular to the exams, Sunday test, continuously he is writing regular Sunday test. And last I think COVID time he is in class 7. I'm not sure now. I think he is in class 9. I think so. One mother is sharing. Last 10 days back, one of the exam he wrote, ma'am, extremely good rank he scored in zonal level, because base part is very important. The period you are giving guidelines for the students are very helpful for children. That's a word is enough to teach a children, because we are doing here with a great difficulty. Parents joined here. I continuously teaching the classes here. What is the thing as a kid? What your responsibility? You have to see the class should be understand, or whether you are able to do by your own. If any problem, you can ask any number of times. Ready to give you. But only the thing, you people should be little alert in the class, because end point, end receivers, you are the ultimate, your scores are ultimate result for us, right? We are very happy with you, not for all the other things. Suppose as you are sharing such a words, ma'am, this is my scores, I scored in my class test, these are the marks, I am the topmost in the class. That word is enough to teacher feel more great. Okay, be like that, children, be like that. Make your parents as a proud, and make your teachers as a proud. Right. Coming to this part, there are 3 boys step off together. If you have really doubt, please unmute yourself. And ma'am, this is the way I cannot understand. Please let me know how I supposed to. The boys step off together from the same spot. Their footsteps measures 63 centimeters, 70 centimeters, and 77 centimeters respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover, so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? This is here in this question, children, whether you are doing LCM or HCF, you may have a doubt. You LCM, because there is a keyword. I highlighted the keyword with the blue color. What is the minimum? Minimum means
Less,
LCM. Least. Minimum means least. Maximum means highest. In few cases, exceptional cases are there. That cases I will let you know, children. But in this part of word problems, if you see what is the minimum distance should be covered, means you need to find out LCM. Coming to the statements. First statement. Can anyone guess the statements? Yes. The measure of
ma'am, the measure of
footstep
the footsteps, the
footstep.
boys with the 3
Yes, the
boys
measures
step.
of the footsteps of the boys. The measures of footsteps of boys. Footsteps of boys. You can write as a first boy, second boy, or else directly. Boys, what are the footsteps measuring, children? The lengths are
63 centimeter,
70,
26
yes,
centimeter, and 77 centimeter.
63 centimeters and 70 centimeters and 77 centimeters. 70 centimeters and 77. When you are reading question only, logical thinking should be understand, children. By looking all this, what is a common thing you can notice? What is the common thing you notice? All the difference of all these numbers is 7.
Centimeters.
Very good. All are in 7 table. Very good. Now, what is the minimum distance each should cover so that distance incompletes? Therefore, the minimum distance each should cover. Next, the minimum distance what is the minimum or maximum? Yes. Minimum, right. Minimum distance should cover. Therefore, the minimum distance should cover by the students to what? To cover the complete distance in exact number of times. The minimum distance should cover by the students is LCM of 63, 70 and 77. So you can write the complete statement, children. No, we cannot end because from here to here the complete statement you have to write. The maximum. Adrit.
He wrote students, not boys.
Okay. Oh, yeah, boys are there. Okay, anyway, maybe that's us children or boys or whatever. Yeah. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? You can write from here to there. Then LCM of all the statements are in your question only, children. LCM can be done in different methods. You know what are the LCM can be done in different methods? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The 63, 70, 77. All this will go in which table, children?
Ma'am, 7.
7 table, right? 7 how many times? 7 nines are?
9.
7
9
tens are?
10 and 11.
11s are. Is there any common number which is exactly divisible by all these numbers? No, I think, right? Any common number which is exactly divisible 9, 10, 11?
No.
Any common table 9, 10, 11 will come? No. What is LCM? We can calculate LCM is 7 into 9 into 10 into 11. Yes. Can we do it? Yes or no? Or
No,
else
ma'am.
no. Is it LCM? Prime factorization we cannot. LCM we can do, ma. Or else, ma'am, I have doubt. You can extend it till further steps. Means if you want, you can go. Because if you can stop here only, you can do it. So 3 3s are 9. 10 will not go. So 11. Again, 10 will go in 5 table. So 3, 2, 11 as it is, you will get. Now you can, if you all are prime numbers, here all are prime numbers, there is no prime number, you can stop here and you can do it. 7 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 11. So there is also multiplication also we can do in different. 5 2s are 10, right? 5 2s are 10. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 11, 99. 99 into 7, 99 into 7. 7 9 times 63. 7 9 times 63 plus 6 is 69. 693. So 693 multiplied with 10 is 693 followed by 0. This is the LCM. What I said, because after doing, you can stop here only, children. No need of going further step also because it is LCM. By looking only, you can see 7 table, 7 9 times, 7 10 times, 7 11 times. No common table 9, 10, 11 will come except one table. So these all are co-primes. Co-primes, HCF of co-primes, LCM of co-primes is product of the numbers. So 7 into 9 into 10 into 11. You can do directly. 11 nines are 99. 99 into 7 is once again 693. 693 multiplied with 0 means it's followed by. You can stop here only because 9, 10, 11 are consecutive numbers. LCM of consecutive numbers are product of those numbers. How HCF has 1, LCM also you can stop there and do it. Okay, children? This is one method. Any other method we have? Is it easy for you, or else can I do one more method? Please tell children.
No, ma'am, I
Yes.
understood.
Okay, who are not getting, there is another method also. Individually you can find. There is another method I'll do here. So what is LCM prime factorization of 63? 3 into 21. So again 3 sevens are 21. You can stop for 63. You can write it as 3 into 3 into 7. Same way, what is the other number? 70. 70 can be done in 235 times. Again 5 7 times. You can express 70 as 2 into 7 into 5 into 7. And what is the other number we have? 77. 77 can be 11 sevens are 77. You can stop. 77 can be written as 7 into 11. This is prime factorization. Now, what is LCM means? You can see maximum time. First, we are going with the least factor. Which is the least factor among all these? Among all these, 2. 2 repeated only one time, no other way. So you have to write. Then 3 repeated maximum how many times?
2 times.
2 times, right? So here least common multiple we have to, you just multiply it. You can take as how many times you can take 3? Least number of times. 3 can be expressed, no, we can write as 3 into 3. Then later we are going with 3 maximum number of times repeated 2 times. So you can write. Then 7. Here 1 time, here 1 time, here 1 time. So how many times? Only 1 time it is repeated maximum. So 11 repeated once again 1 time. So now we make it as a product of all these numbers. 2 into 3 3s are 9. 2 into 9 is 18. 18 into 7. 18 7 times.
126.
126 into 11. Check once.
1286.
Is it same or any different answer we are getting?
Ma'am, 1003.
Hey, we forget 5. 5 is not written, right? 5 is also one time occurs, right? We have to write that also. What is the value you are getting, children, after here?
Ma'am,
1286.
1286. 300 or 200?
Ma'am, 200.
86 into 5. Come on, please multiply with 5.
Ma'am, 6930.
Is it 6930? Check it once again. Multiply and check it.
Ma'am, I got 6430.
Different answer you are getting.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
430.
Oh, but it should be same, Aishwarya. 1 minute. What are the numbers? Let me take once again 63, 70, and 77. For 63 prime number, 3 2s are 3 1s are again 3 7 times. So we can express as 3 into 3 into 7. Now 70 can be written as 235 times because least prime number we are taking prime factorization method. 7 5s are 35. So if you write as a 2 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 7. Again here 7 into 11, 7s are 77. So the third number can be expressed as 7 into 11. Now these are the numbers. 63 can be expressed and 70 can be expressed and 77. Now if you want to find out the LCM, so how many times maximum repeated children in all together you have to check. Here no 2. Here 1 time it is repeated. Yeah. So you can write 1 time 2. 3 maximum how many times repeated? 1 minute, listen, don't interrupt. 3 maximum how many times repeated? 3 maximum how many times repeated?
2 times.
So 2 times I wrote away. Okay. 7 maximum how many times repeated?
3 times.
1 time only. Here 1 time, here 1 time, here 1 time. In all 3 only 1 time 7 repeated, right? And 5 we are not writing. First 5 repeated only 1 time. So first go with the order wise. Then 7 repeated 1 time maximum. Then 11 repeated only 1 time. Please make as a product. First anywhere if you see 5 into 2, 10 you have to separate. Then 3 3s are 9. Then you have to multiply with 11. So 11 7s are 77. 77 into 9 is 9 7s are 60. 9 7s are 80. 7 8 7 9s are 63. 7 9 is 63 plus 69. 6930. So 6930 is the answer. If you do that method also, you will get the same children. Or this is one method you can follow. Another method is all together you can take 63, 70, 77. So all will divisible in 7 table. So 7 table means 9 times, 10 times, 11 times. Here 9, 10, 11 will not be divisible by any common table. So directly LCM is nothing but you have to write all the product of the numbers. 7, 9, 10, 11. So you will get here directly 6930. This is second method. If you ma'am this also I don't know, please let me know. Another method means normal just before we are doing least common multiples. How we are finding common multiples for 63, multiples of 63, multiples of 70, multiples of 77. You can find all. Then 69. That's a long method, children. Don't go that method. You can take any 2 method. So 7 centimeters is the 7 centimeters is the least measure. Sorry, 6930. This is the part, right? So these are the centimeters. So if you convert into meters, what is the question? What is the minimum distance they should cover? Therefore, 6930 centimeters is the minimum distance each one should cover, so that they can exact measure the footstep. They can exact measure the footsteps. You can write therefore 6930 centimeters, or else sometimes you can 69 meters 30 centimeters also you can write. Your wish, you know, conversion also. And now, yes, who is the student here? 1 minute, ma. Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya, can you read the question number 3?
Yes, ma'am. The length, breadth, and height of a room are 825 centimeters, 675 centimeters, and 450 centimeters, respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly.
Which is the keyword here, ma? Which is the keyword in the question?
Ma'am, longest.
So by longest is nothing but
Maximum.
maximum. Maximum is nothing but greatest.
HCF.
Greatest is nothing but
LCM.
highest. Highest is nothing but HCF.
HCF.
Come on. Write down, children, the dimensions of room. The dimensions of room. So what are the statements we can write? What are the statements we can write? Yes.
Ma'am, the length of
Length of the room, breadth of the room, height of the room you can write. Or else directly if you want you can go with the dimensions of the room. Question number 2. The dimensions of room.
Ma'am, that is question number 3.
Question number 3. Okay, sorry. What is length given, children? Length is 825 centimeters. 825 centimeters. Breadth is?
Ma'am, 675.
675 centimeters. What is height?
450.
450 centimeters. Yeah. They're asking about what is the longest tape that can measure the dimensions of room exactly. Therefore, the longest tape, that is the keyword, children. Therefore, the longest tape, you can see the keyword longest. Longest is nothing but longest tape that can measure the room exact number of times. Longest tape that can measure the room exact number of times. Measure the room exact number of times. Exact number of is equal to what? HCF of 825, 675, 450. Come on, children, you know now HCF in different methods. Which method we will take? We will take continuous division or else prime factorization. Prime factor. Okay. Prime factorization. Okay. 5 ones are 5. 3 is remainder. So 5 6 are 30. 2 is remainder. 25 means 5 5s are 25. Once again 5 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 33 times. Again 3 table. 11s are. You can stop. Now another number is 675. 675 is also divisible by 5 table. 5 ones are 5. Remainder is 1. So 17 means 5 3s are 15. Remainder is 2. So 25. 5 5s are 25. Yes, 5 table again. 5 2s are 10. Remainder is 3. 13 minus 10. So 35 means 7 times 35. Again 3 9s are 27. Again 3 3s are, you can stop till prime number. Now what is the last number, children? What is the last number? 450. What is the last number?
450.
450 is divisible in which table?
Ma'am, 5.
Yes, 5 table. Come on, how many times? 5? 90 times. Because 9s are 45. Again, 5 ones are 5. So 9 minus 5 means 4 is 40. So 40 means 8 times. Again, this division, if you continuously practice, you will get, children. Don't worry, ma'am, I don't know how to do, but you are doing so fast. You can don't tell like that. If you also practice means you will get that. Hope till here you understand, children. Any doubt? Any doubt? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how to find LCM? Write all the factors, children. Here, not by LCM, HCF we are doing, highest common factors. Okay, factors of 825. What are the factors of 825? Orderly, I'm writing, children. 3 multiplied with 5 2 times, then 11. Same way for other numbers also you can write. You can write for other numbers like 675. 675, the factors of 675, 3 times, 3 maximum here 3 times, then 5 repeated 2 times. Then coming to 450. What are the prime factorization of 450? 2 repeated 1 time. Here, what is 3 repeated 2 times? 3 repeated 2 times. Then you see, children, 5 repeated how many times? 2 times. Now ours is highest common factor. Highest common, first you have to see what are common factors, and then
Ma'am,
you check
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Very good. 3 commonly, highest commonly, how many times it is repeated? Suppose maximum times you can see. This is a part when you are going common factor here, 3 repeated 1 time, here 3 repeated 3 times, here 2 times. Highest common, how many times? Commonly. Common, here, there, least common. You have to see, sorry, here 1 time. So this one we can also write it as 3 to the power 1, 5 square and 11. Here you can write it as 3 cube, because power numbers can be expressed in repeated multiplication can be expressed in power notation. 2 3 square and 5 square, which is the least common, because when you are finding the highest common, least power you have to take. Least power, 3 least power you have to check. Which is the least power? 3 to the power 1, 3. Very good, 3. Then 5 least power you can check. Maybe 5 repeated all the cases 2 times, right? So we can write it as 5 into 5. That's all. No other numbers are repeated. Yes or no, children? No other numbers are repeated. 11 is not repeated in the second number. And even 2 is also not repeated. That's why we cannot, no need of writing those things. High common factors. Now, HCF of all these 3 is 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 75. Therefore, 70, the longest tape that can measure the room exact number of times is nothing but 75 centimeters tape is required so that it is exact. We can measure using 75 centimeters tape the exact number of times. Yes. Any doubts while children, when you are finding HCF, you can take least power. When you are taking LCM, you can take highest power. That I will help you, children. In one next bit also I'll help you. We will do the same method for both LCM and HCF. How you supposed to write that? Yeah, please, ma'am.
Ma'am, why should we take 5 twice?
Twice, because you see number of times here 2 times, maximum 2 times. Sorry, here also 2 times. How many times it is? 2 times. All the cases it is repeated.
Okay, ma'am.
That's why. But 3, if you see, Here only one time. Here 3 times, here 2 times, but all the cases 1 time is commonly repeated, right?
Yes,
That's why
ma'am.
we are taking only 1 time. Okay. We'll do this method for all the bits, children. LCM and HCF. Suppose if you want to find out LCM for this, ma'am, can you please the same method LCM also you can tell. So LCM of, if you want to find out, generally this is not related, children, but you please remember 825, 675, 450. How to find LCM? 825 factors. What are the factors for 825? 3 to the power 1. 5 square, 11 to the power 1. For 675, 3 cube, 5 square, then 450, 2 multiplied with 3 square multiplied with 5 square. Now in LCM, you have to check all the factors you should write, children. 2 highest common 2, how many times? 2 1 time here. Then 3 maximum how many times? 3 maximum how many times repeated?
Ma'am, 2.
3 times, because 3 to the power 3, right? You see 3 cube into 5 square. So 3 cube. Then 5 repeated 2 times. So 5 square. Maximum, highest power, least common multiple means highest power you are taking. Then 11. If you multiply all these numbers, you will get LCM, children. Okay. HCF is 75. That's the method. Don't worry for both how you're supposed to calculate. When we are practicing, definitely you will get. Next, last bit for the day. Okay, these are the first 3 bits we can see, children. Any doubts in first 3 bits? Any doubts? Because this chapter is more important, children. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Now, these questions, 4th and 5th later we will do. Go to question number 6, children. 4 and 5 later I'll do. 6th question we will do. The traffic lights at 3 different roads. Ashwath is here in the classroom. Ashwath?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, please read the question number 6.
The traffic lights are 3 different road crossings. Change after every 48 seconds, 75 seconds, and 108 seconds, respectively. If they change
Respectively. Simultaneously.
at 7 a.m., at
Hmm.
what time will they change?
Simultaneously again. This question, is there, you can find any keyword in this question?
Ma'am, that simultaneously.
Simultaneously is the keyword. Simultaneously means you need to find out LCM, children. The traffic lights of 3 different roads crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds, and 108 seconds. Do you know what are traffic lights in road crossings, children? Did you observe how it is happening? It's ultimately blink one side green, another side red. So the people see, this is also that application part of the same question, day-to-day life application. The traffic lights at 3 different roads crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds, and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., what time will they change simultaneously? Again, here the keyword simultaneously. So means you need to find out LCM of 48, 72, 108. 48, 72, 108. The keyword is simultaneous. You can write the statements. LCM of what are the words, statements we will later will help you children. First, let me know to do. The 48, 72, 108. 48, 72, 108 seconds. At this change at 7 p.m. morning 7 a.m. That's the one word they gave. We will see later about this part. First, we will find out LCM. As we are doing a prime factorization method, LCM method, factors for 2 2s are 2 4s are again 2 1s are 2 2s are again 2 6 times again 2 3 times again you can stop. 72 can be written as 2 how many times 2 3s are 6 1 6 times again half of 36 is 18 half of 18 is 9 so 9 can be written as 3 3s you can stop. 108 can be expressed as 2 half of 2 means 54 half of 54 means it's 27. 27 will not go in 2 table 3 9 times again 3 times you can stop. Now write all the numbers children. 48 is 2 how many times 2 expressed as 4 times into 3 and here 72 can be written as so 3 how many 2 how many times 3 times so 2 3 cube and 3 2 times so 3 square and here 108 can be written as 2 how many times children 2 repeated 2 times so you can write it as 2 square and 3 repeated how many times 3 times so 3 cube you can write. So when you are finding least common multiple highest so least you are finding means highest power you can think Nana. Which is 2 highest power. Check among all these 2 power 2 cube 2 square. Which is the highest power? Which is the highest power?
48.
48.
No. Highest power is 2 to the power?
Ma'am,
2 to the power 4. Yeah. In among 3, this is nothing is there means 1. 1 power means up part. 2 here 3. Which is the highest power?
Ma'am,
To the power of 3.
3 to the power of 3. Now come on children, if you want to find out LCM, what is LCM here? 2 4 times means 2 to the power 4 means 2 repeatedly 4 times, then 3 times. 3 times. Come on children, please multiply and let me know the answer. 2 power 4 is 16, 9 times.
ma'am, 268.
268. 68 seconds children, this is seconds. If you want to convert into minutes, you should divide with what?
60.
60. Very good. So come on, divide with 6 children. I think 4. 6 4s are 24, right? 240. What is left over? 28. This is seconds. 28 seconds and 4 minutes. So at morning 7 a.m. the traffic lights are changing. After 4 minutes 28 seconds. That means at what time next change will happen?
Ma'am, 7 4 a.m.
7 4
a.m.
7 hours 4 minutes 28 seconds. 7 morning 7 hours 4 minutes 28 seconds. Again the traffic signals will be changed simultaneously. That's the question children. We will see next tomorrow also the same part. You can.
Ma'am, can you show the board one? Can you show the board once?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. You have to, the statements I'll help you later, children, because you need to know how to do LCM. That's more important because it is a very tough topic, children. But you understood that concept, you can find easily. When you are taking LCM, you are taking the highest powers. When you are taking HCF, you are taking least powers. Only the thing you have to express this part. If you know how to do, your work is done. You know this method anyway, prime factorization method, you know very well, right, children? Any doubts in prime factorization method?
No, ma'am.
For LCM and HCF, we can go with the same method. Yes, ma?
Can you conduct a quiz now?
Oh, no, beta, I have other class students already waiting. Next class we will see. Okay, once that topic is over, application sums. Today your homework is, let me show your homework part, children. You can try, there are few more bits by identifying the keywords. You can try 7th bit. 7th bit, it's your homework. 7th bit is your homework.
Ma'am, I do not have textbook, ma'am.
Ma'am, can
you
you
can down-
repeat?
7th bit is your
Excuse me, ma'am.
homework. 1 minute, Monish, I'll help you. 1 minute. 7th bit is your
Ma'am?
homework. Yes, Monish.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, Monish, please.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, Monish, I can hear you. Please speak. Monish, are you there?
Ma'am, maybe he cannot listen to you.
Maybe that's something network issue for Monish today. It's a lot of disturbance too, when he is unmuted the mic. 7th bit is your homework, children. If you want, you can take a screenshot, or else, you know, NCERT portal, you can download our NCERT textbook, class 6, chapter 3.
Book.
Or else if you take screenshot 7th bit, you can try, children. 7th bit is your homework. Did you take a screenshot of 7th bit? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we stop? Can I stop share?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One thing, children, what is the keyword in 7th question? Please let me know, then we can wind up the class.
Ma'am, maximum.
Maximum.
What we should find out here?
HCF.
SCF.
Very good, children. Please do it. Write the statements and send your answers personally to my WhatsApp number. Okay, bye, children. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye.
Ma'am, I do not have textbook, ma'am. Ma'am, I do not have textbook.
Monish. Monish? Monish, please tell Monish what's your problem. Please let me know.